1.5 the cup, okay? Slow flame, and I'm going to fry. What is this? This is idli rava uddapam special. Idli rava, I'm going to do the uppma. Okay, little brown color, that's is enough, finish. 8 minutes, okay, now finish. See, but I don't have curry leaves and green chili. You must add curry leaves and green chili also, okay? This is tarka item. Now I'm going to do the half teaspoon salt and quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Turmeric powder as your choice. One and a half glass suji and 3 glass water, double water. Keep boiling high flame. Keep boiling high flame. High flame. I'm going to add the suji. This is in Hindi name is suji. See, I add kaju also. Keep flame slow and mix properly. See, I'm going to add the coriander leaf also. I don't have curry leaves. I'm going to use coriander leaves. Okay, this is mixed well. Okay, I'm going to mix now. I'm going to add the little ghee also. See, little only. Okay, ghee. Hello viewers, my rava uppma is ready. See. Ready. I'm going to eat with ice cream. You can eat chutney, either sugar also, okay? Either sugar, but I'm going to eat them ice cream. I'm going to eat them cream ice cream. Okay.